In this tutorial, we'll learn how to define storm data when using the SCS TR-20 or TR-55 hydrology methods. To begin, go to the Input ribbon menu and select Storm Data. The Storm Data dialog will appear. In the General Specifications section, you can select the precipitation type. The available options include None, HMR52 Storm, Rainfall Distribution, SCS Storm. For this tutorial, we will cover the HMR52 and the SCS Storm. HMR52 Storm is used to compute the probable maximum precipitation, PMP, for a watershed. You can set parameters such as storm center, a preferred and actual storm orientation, peak intensity period, 1 hour to 6 hour depth ratio, and probable maximum storm area. You can also manage HMR51 depth area duration PMP estimates with options to retrieve or view PMP data. Precipitation type, SCS Storm. This is the most commonly used option for SCS, TR-20, and TR-55 analysis. For this type, you need to set the location for retrieving storm data. Define the storm recurrence interval, for example, 2-year, 25-year, 100-year, and also define the storm duration. Once the data is defined, click Retrieve Data to load the rainfall data for the chosen site and settings. In the SCS Precipitation Data section, you can set the SCS storm distribution. Options include area dependent, Type 1, Type 1A, Type 2, or Type 3. The rainfall depth field is populated when you click on the Retrieve Data button. You can edit the rainfall depth or retrieve it from NOAA Atlas 14 using the Browse button. Once you have defined the data and selected the appropriate storm distribution and depth, you can close the dialog.